or nothing.
We're at the dove lease, not deer, dove. And Felix is, I don't know, cutting their wings off. So why do you do that?
These are the breast. How many you need, John?
Felix is a breast man.
Felix is a breast man.
Yeah, I like breast.
And so the limit is 15.
I didn't get them.
You didn't get them.
I did.
There's my dad. He got him.
I'm good.
There's my little handsome.
Hey, Danny, can you come show us 3 grown men how to start a fire?
Oh my God, are you serious?
I can't get that thing to...
Are
Is
you
there a bunch of
seriously
goddamn
like
Aggies
that
over or
I got
what?
it, but I can't get it to go blue.
Hey, let me see.
Hey, what are you...
Your balls drop?
Well, now that I'm older, they're even farther down. They dropped almost down to my knees, man.
Well,
you want to see?
you should be able to start a fire.
Good thing I wear tight underwear. They'd be hanging down to...
He's a State Farm agent. He don't know how to start a fire.
Hey, Jake from State Farm.
Jake from State Farm?
No, I retired, man. Them bastards.
No, you're not retired. You're on vacation, bitch.
Retarded,
Well,
maybe.
yeah, I'm 4 months of vacation and then I retire.
Yeah.
Retarded.
And then you got
So
2
now
more
what do you
weeks
do?
after you retire.
Yeah,
Rest
2 more
them.
weeks. No,
So tell me
and
what
119
you do.
hours.
I know what you do, but I'm making a YouTube video.
I don't want to be that.
Well, you can't see your face, you just see your hands. Just tell me what you're doing. I know what you're doing, but they might not know what you're doing.
Well, you tell them.
You tell him.
He's playing with breasties.
He's taking off
Look,
all the
that
feathers.
I like.
So where are you putting them at? You
Taking off all the feathers.
over
Where's
there?
the nipples at?
Taking off all the feathers. Pull the breast
Now I'm
off.
sticking my finger in the ass.
Stuff my finger up their ass, pull the breast out.
You want to know?
Well, it is what it is.
Right.
You know who my daddy is.
Sitting in the chair giving advice.
You know something about a bowls bag?
A what?
Bowl bag?
A bowl.
Bowls? Sharon's asking.
Bowl bag.
Bowls. Or bowls.
Look
Somewhere in the tree.
Look in front of my mule. There's some bowls in my mule. I don't know if we got them all back, but I got 1 or 2 back.
John, how many we need?
John, you need 1 more?
Oh, heck.
So that is the breast.
Yeah, now you got 1 more than Becky.
Hey, you want to come put in your own duck, smartass?
I love my friends. I love my
still in the back
friends.
of his mule.
She saw my balls once.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, gosh.
They're a lot lower now.
They're pretty low that day. And that was when I was like 10, and I'm 51.
Scarred for life, huh?
Fucking gravity.
I was at the 8th grade now.
Fucking gravity.
That shit don't play, man.